commas, and we studied about what introducing six-digit number, introducing more numbers, that is called as a large numbers. Okay, we studied these all things in the previous class. After you all know where to put commas, yes, you all know that. Yes, we'll start with our exercise now. Before we start our exercise, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. We are praying to the Lord for our wellness, for our family's sake, and we want everyone. So we are praying to everyone. Yes, na children? Yes. And listen, because of these all things we are studying. Because of corona, we all are being at home and studying. Please concentrate on your academics. Don't take it silly. Don't take casual on your academic students. Because we are struggling too much. Teachers are struggling too much to make you to understand. Yes. If you are not understand, please send the messages that we are not understanding. Teachers will explain it one more time. Okay. Okay, children. I know you all are good students. You all listen teacher what teachers will tell. Yes. Okay, we'll move on to our academics now. Yes, we did the commas. I told you if we not put commas, that will be called as with a normal numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We call it as like that. But when we put commas, then only we say we use lakh. Yes, lakh, crores, hundreds, thousands, and tens, ones. We call it like that. And in international place value system, place value chart, we use lakh badli ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು million. We use what? Million. Okay, understood now? I told you in the previous class also. Now we will start with our exercise. Yes, exercise number 1.1. Okay, exercise number 1.1. What you have to do, children, in your classwork also, you have to write the heading. What is your chapter heading, children? Your chapter heading is knowing our numbers. Okay, write a knowing our numbers. Okay, I will write that also for your understanding sake. Knowing our numbers. In that exercise number 1.1, first main, fill in the blanks. What they given? Fill in the blanks. Okay. First question. What they are asking there? ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಾತಾರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 lakh ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 10,000 ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು 10,000 dash 10,000. We have to write the answer. Like that they given so many questions there. So many fill in the blanks. We'll write the answers. Okay. First one. 1 lakh is equals to dash 10,000. ಎಷ್ಟು 10,000? 1 lakh ಆಗಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10,000. 10,000 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಕವ ನಮಗ 1 lakh ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 10 lakh 10,000 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗ 1 lakh ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಹೌದಾ? 10 ನ 10 time multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. What you get? 1 lakh you will get. So answer is what? 10. If you want, write in words. If you want, write in numbers. Okay, which you want, you can write. Which is easy for you, write that one. Second one, 1 million. Same 1 million ಅಂದ್ರೂ lakh ಅಂತಾರ. International ಒಳಗ million ಗೆ lakh ಅಂತಾರ. Okay, I told you million is called as a lakh in our Indian system. In international system we use million. Okay, 1 million is equals to dash 100,000. 100,000. Okay, 100,000. Okay, 1 million ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ 100,000 ಬೇಕು? 100,000 ಬೇಕು ನಮಗ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರದ್ದು 1000. Then we get what? 1 million. If you want multiply it again and again, you will get this one. Yes, 0 ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 10 times multiply apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. hundreds ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ 1000 100,000. Okay, Next one, third one, 1 crore. Lakh ಇಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದು crore. Dash 10 lakh. 1 crore ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 10 lakh ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು 10 lakh 10 lakh 10 lakh 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 1 lakh 10 times you have to multiply, you get what? 1 crore. Same, 1 crore is equals to dash million. Million is the ladder. 10 million is equals to 1 crore. 10 million is equals to 1 crore. Next, 1 million is equals to dash lakh. 10 lakh. 10 lakh. All answers are same. Okay, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 only. Okay, understood now? Fill in the blanks. We'll move on to the next one. Please copy it in your classwork. Okay, please copy it. Leave one line after one question. Leave one line. Leave one line after one question. Okay, understood? After one question, you have to leave one line and write neatly. Fill in the blanks. Okay, draw with the pencils and write neatly. Now we'll move on to the second one. Please copy it in your classwork. Okay. Next main, I will drop this one. Second main. Second main. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Our in kottara word formula kottara. They are telling that write in the numerals and place the commas. Place the commas. Numerals ola baradu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು commas ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. Okay, first question is 73 lakh. Okay, I will write question also. Second main, I am writing everything. Please write like this only in your classwork. For your sake, I am writing everything on the board. After this also, if you write wrong, then see, I will not accept your classwork only. Right? Okay, first question. 73 lakh 75 5,000 300 307. Okay, first we'll write it. Now start writing. Okay, what they given? 73 lakh 75,307. Okay, 73 lakh. Okay, 73 lakh 75,000. Yes, 307. 307. Yes, 73 lakh. So comma 75,000 comma 307. Okay, this is the place value chart. In place value chart, after 3 digit we have a commas, after 2 digit we have a comma. This will be called as a 100, this will be called as a 10,000, this will be called as a lakh. Okay, this will be lakh section, 1000 section, 100 section. We get commas in that position only. After 100 we put commas, after 1000 we put commas, after lakh we put commas. Okay, first question finished. After this, leave one line. Okay, every question, after every question you have to leave one line. And second question, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Okay, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Okay, here 9 lakh 9 crore, sorry, 9 crore 5 lakh 5 lakh. Next one is 0 we have 5 lakh. After that, in 1000 place we don't have. In 100 place also we don't have. Last one we have 41. See here, 9 crore. Okay, 9 crore, 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Okay. After that, in 1000 place we don't have anything. Here we don't have anything. They not given 1000 place here. Directly after lakh they went to the tens place. Okay, we get 0 here. 100 place also we don't have. Directly we get tens place 41. Okay, after 9 comma, after 5 comma, after 0 comma, and let's go on. Okay, write down this one. Please copy it in your classwork. After each question you have to put one. You have to leave one line. Now third one. Third question. 7 crore 50. Okay. 52 lakh 21,300 302. Okay, 302. Okay, now start reading and we'll write in numerals. 7 crores. Okay, 7 crores. 52 lakh. 51,000. 302. 302. Okay. Yes. After 3 numbers comma, after 2 numbers comma, after 2 numbers comma. Here crore, lakh, thousand, hundred. Okay. In numerals we are writing. Okay. The next one question. Please copy it in your classwork. We'll move on to the next question. Next one is 58. Okay, children. Next one I will not do D and E homework. Okay. Please underline. Please circle with that. D homework for you. Today's homework for you. D and E sum. Okay. D1 and E1. Both the numbers, what you have to do, you have to just convert it in a numerals and put a commas in that. Okay. We'll move on to the third main now. Okay. Third main. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. Nam Indian system numeration ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ ನಾವ commas ಹಾಕ್ತೇವಿ, ಹೆಂಗ ನಾವ lakhs, crores ಹೆಂಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಿ, according to that we have to write in words. Okay, names ಅಂದ್ರೆ words ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. words format ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we put a commas. Okay, according to that. They are not mentioned words now there. Yes, they are not mentioned words. So no need to write in words. Only we put commas. Okay, only we put commas. Homework, copy it. Okay, don't tell me after that I don't know homework, that all things I don't want. Please copy it. And the next one, third way, insert comma. First one in that 8 7 5 9 5 7 6 2. Okay, 6 2. This is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place. Yes, we are writing this. After this we'll put commas now. After hundreds we have to put comma. Before 100 we have to put comma. After that, after 10,000, after 10 lakh. Okay, now read it. 8 lakh, 8 crore, 75 lakh, 95,762. So, for your understanding sake, you have to write this one. Indian place value chart. Okay, Indian place value chart you have to write. Okay, ones place, thousand place, 100 place, that all things we have to write. After that, we can easily read it. Easily we can put the commas. Understood now? If you want, write this in with a pencil, okay? No need of writing with a pencil. Write with the pencil only. Write with pencil only. First one we did commas. Now we'll move on to the next one. B1. Only the answer I wrote, okay? Only answer I wrote. Now second one. 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8, 3. Okay? This is in our ones place, 10's place, 100 place. So comma. 1000 place, 10,000 place, comma. Okay? This is a lakh, 10 lakh. So no need of comma here because in the before that we don't have any numbers. So comma finished. 85 lakh 46,283. 283. Okay. C1. How many questions are there in that? Okay. C and D also homework. C and D also homework. Today's homework. Which all thing? In second main. D and E, and third main C and D. These four sums are homework for you. Today's homework. These two are a homework for you. In second main D and E. In third main C and D. We'll do the fourth main now. We'll solve the fourth main now. Okay. Fourth main. First one, insert comma suitably and write the names according to international system. Indian andila international system olaga enaketi lakh idid million aketi. Please think about it and keep in your mind. Million will come in the place of lakh. In the place of what? Lakh. Lakh idar namge en bartati? Million bartati. Okay, we'll write it. They are telling insert comma suitably and write the names according to the international system. First question. We'll solve only one now. 8, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 9, 2. Okay. We'll put the commas for this. Okay. After 3 number comma, after 2 number comma, after 2 number comma. Now write in numerals. Write in word format. Write in now word format now. 8, 7 crore 89 lakh banungila. I told you because they mentioned here international. So 89 million. We are writing million in the place of lakh. In the place of lakh, million 89 million 21,092. Okay, understood children? Yes, understood now? Okay. Only one I did. Which all things you have to do now? Today's homework for you. This also. And after that, comma. Fourth main, only C and D. C and D. C and D. Second one we'll do it in the next class. The homework, today's homework, which all things? Second main DE. Okay. We'll not send you the homework again. After seeing the video, please see the homework part in this. Here only I mentioned the homework part. Second main D and E. Third main C and D. And fourth main C and D. How many total sums? 6 sums are the homework for you. Okay. Evening I will send you the answers. Before that I want all the sums solved by you. Okay. Okay children. We'll see you tomorrow.